My beloved child, pause for a moment and let your heart become still. Before you rush into the rest of your day, I want you to hear these words with an open spirit. I have not brought you here by accident. There is purpose in this moment, and I desire to remind you that I am always at work, even when you cannot yet see the results. For a long time you have carried questions that seem to have no answers. You have waded through seasons that tested your patience, stretched your faith, and challenged your hope. Yet through every step, I remained beside you. I saw every silent prayer, every hidden tear, and every act of faith that no one else noticed. Do not believe that your waiting has been wasted. While you were wondering whether anything was changing, I was preparing what only I could prepare. My work often begins beneath the surface, just as roots grow deep before a tree reaches toward the sky. The days ahead hold new opportunities, unexpected encouragement, and fresh direction. Some of what I prepared may appear in simple ways: a conversation, a peaceful realization, a timely opportunity, or a door opening where you expected another disappointment. Do not overlook small beginnings, for I often use them to introduce greater blessings. Keep your heart free from fear. Fear rushes, but my guidance brings peace. Fear confuses, but my wisdom brings clarity. When I lead you, your spirit becomes steady even if the path ahead is still unfolding. You have wondered why certain doors remain closed. In time, you will understand that many of those closed doors were acts of protection rather than rejection. I was preserving you for something better suited to the purpose I placed within your life. Do not compare your journey with anyone else's. I have written a unique story for you. The pace, the timing, and the destination are all designed according to my wisdom. Trust that what belongs to you will arrive at the proper time. As you move forward, release the burdens you were never meant to carry forever. Let go of yesterday's disappointments, the fear of failure, and the weight of old regrets. They cannot accompany you into the future I am preparing. Look around with eyes of gratitude. Every small sign of peace, every unexpected kindness, every new opportunity is a reminder that I am faithfully working in your life. Even when progress seems slow, I am leading you one faithful step at a time. Strength is growing within you. You are not the same person you were a year ago. The trials that once threatened to overwhelm you have also developed patience, wisdom, and compassion. What seemed like delay has become preparation. Walk forward with confidence instead of anxiety. You do not have to force every outcome or control every detail. Trust me with what you cannot see, and remain faithful with what is already in your hands. The story I am writing is not defined by your past failures, but by my faithfulness. New chapters are opening, fresh hope is rising, and greater peace is taking root within your heart. Remain close to me each day. Listen for my guidance, cherish my peace, and continue walking in faith even before every answer appears. In time, you will look back and realize that every difficult season was leading you toward a future filled with purpose, growth, and hope. Take courage, my child. I am with you today, tomorrow, and always. My love has not changed. My promises remain secure, and my plans for your life continue to unfold in perfect wisdom. Very good news is happening in the next 7 hours. I am telling you this plainly before anything else, because I do not want you to turn away from this moment. Something real is already moving toward your life. If you step away now, you will miss what was set aside for you alone. So stay. Listen closely, because my voice is reaching you for a reason. I am not delaying this. I am not hiding it. Within these next 7 hours, a shift is forming that will touch your situation in a way you did not expect. It is not small. It is not ordinary. It will change how you feel, how you think, and how you see the road ahead of you. I know how easily you grow tired. I know how quickly your attention wants to move on to the next thing. But this is not the moment to drift. This is the moment to be still and receive. Your heart has been waiting for relief, for confirmation, for something to finally go in your favor. That waiting is about to meet its answer. You have carried a silent weight for a long time. You learned how to keep going even when nothing felt certain. I watched music. You do it. I saw the nights when you felt alone and the mornings when you rose anyway, not knowing why you bothered. None of that escaped me. Not 1 hour of it. Hear me on this. What is coming is not random. That IT is connected to everything you have endured and everything you have trusted me with. I do not scatter blessings into the wind and hope they land. I aim them, and this one carries your name. Declare your amen out loud if you believe this hour belongs to you. Some blessings arrive quietly, and people miss them because they were expecting thunder. Music, not you. Not this time that I am sharpening your attention right now, so that when the good begins, you will recognize it. That is why I asked you to stay. Your awareness in this moment is part of what I am doing. You may feel a sense of urgency stirring in your spirit. Do not mistake it for fear. It is awareness. It is a feeling that something is close and your soul knows it before your mind can explain it. That I place that feeling there. Trust it. The next 7 hours are not ordinary hours. They are filled with movement that concerns you directly. There are requests you made long ago, ones you almost stopped believing in. I did not lose a single one of them. I've been arranging what you could not see, setting the pieces in order, choosing the moment. That moment is closer than you think. You are not being ignored. You have never been ignored. Every step brought you here, even the ones that felt like stumbling. I know it has not been easy. Music. I know there were stretches where nothing seemed to change no matter what you did, but you are now stepping into a space where things begin to move in your favor, and you will feel the difference before you can prove it. Stay calm. Stay open. What is coming is not meant to overwhelm you. It is meant to lift you. I am not bringing confusion into your life. I am bringing clarity. I am not bringing loss. I am bringing restoration. The stirring you feel right now is the first edge of that shift, and it will grow.